With revival of Black Sea grain deal on cards, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan held a meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin on Monday night. However, it seems that the two leaders have not been able to reach a consensus as the Russian president remained adamant that the deal will only be resumed after the removal of Western sanctions on its agricultural exports.
Смотреть возможность реанимировать зерновую сделку. Я сегодня об этом еще раз сказал господину президенту. И сделаем это сразу же, как только будут полностью выполнены все зафиксированные в ней договоренности о снятии ограничений на экспорт российской агропромышленности.
Meanwhile, his Turkish counterpart expressed hope that the deal might be restored in the coming days. Significantly, Russia had withdrawn from the Black Sea grain deal in July, complaining that the parallel demand promising the removal of obstacles to Russian exports has not been fulfilled. Since then, the United Nations and Russian allies are putting their best foot forward to revive the pact, which is vital for global goods supplies, especially in Africa and Asia that are battling food insecurity. Putin is not agreeing to revive the deal until the Western sanctions on its exports are removed because, according to Moscow, the restrictions on shipping and insurance have hampered its agricultural trade. The Russian president told the reporters only if its commitments were honored, the country would rejoin the deal within the nearest days. Meanwhile, Erdogan stated that the deal, which was brokered by Turkey and the United Nations in July 2022, would witness a new package of proposals to unblock the issues. Commenting on the food crisis that parts of Africa, the Middle East and Asia are battling with, Putin mentioned that Russia is close to finalizing an agreement according to which it will provide free grains to 6 African nations. Furthermore, Moscow will also ship 1 million tons of cheap grains to Turkey for processing and delivery to poor countries. This came after Erdogan reiterated that Putin must pledge to renew the grain deal as it helped in avoiding global food crisis.